Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by making the compressor safe. Unplug it and bleed the tank until the pressure gauge reads 0 so you avoid injury. Once done, disconnect the hose from any tool and the quick connect fitting. That prevents stored air from surprising you. Now identify the hose size, common 1/4 or 3/8, and lay out the replacement, wrench, and Teflon tape. Do this now so you can move straight into unthreading and swapping without stopping to fetch parts. You next remove the old hose. Hold the compressor fitting steady and turn the hose coupling counterclockwise with a wrench, preventing the fitting from twisting. Once off, inspect threads and seals for rust, burrs, or old tape. Cleaning or replacing a bad fitting prevents leaks. To install, wrap the male threads with 3 to 4 clockwise wraps of Teflon tape so it seats properly. Start the new hose by hand to avoid cross-threading, and finish snug with a wrench. Don't over-torque. You finish by slowly repressurizing the compressor while watching the new connections for bubbles or hissing. That confirms proper sealing. If you see a small leak, make sure to depressurize again and tighten just a quarter turn, or swap the O-ring or reapply Teflon tape if it persists. Once sealed, route and secure the hose to avoid kinks and abrasion, and test with a tool at working PSI. If problems continue, depressurize and recheck thread engagement and fitting compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.